just raw. And the only thing I wanna do is go to the top. Yo, hey, I wanna shake the house, I wanna shake the nation. Only with this little bluesy hip-hop inspiration. Cause once I was lost, but now I'm grounded. Once I was lost, but now I found again the beautiful things that I used to see. Up on the hill, just you and me, y'all. You changed my style, you changed my system. Only when you love like peace and wisdom. You changed my mind to a different kind of view. Everything will fresh, yo, everything will do. Cause now I know that there is a way to make the world a better place. Just one day, oh hey, that's what I gotta say. No time for delay. You wanna know how? You wanna know why? You wanna know why? Hey, the highest point on Mars is more than 80,000 feet high. So don't cry, little baby of the universe. It's your rebirth, and you will see clearly now the world's condition. The world needs a healing hand and a healing vision. So what's about a little reconquering of universal balance? Isn't that a challenge? You'll forget about the Mars, it's too far away. So let's solve the problems on Earth today. Because there must be a reason, yo, for the birds to fly. You try to find out and you still don't know why. In the times of the global disasters, to follow the sign and be your own master. Prove you move, change your system, let it groove, grow your wisdom, let it out, let it go.